Hi toy fans and welcome back to the channel. This is Vadertron's Toy Chest, and guys, it is now Sunday, but yesterday me, the wife and two of my sons, we travelled out to Brentwood to check out a new toy fair I've not been to before. It was a train and toy fair. It was okay, guys. There was lots of trains there, but anyway, check out this.
Hi.
Oh, right. The cake covered right here. Right, yeah.
That's good.
Pretty noise for one single train.
Very collectible, mate, that's why.
Your nuts always early.
Go on then.
Not that I know.
When I drop off, you want to worry?
Put it there. Yeah, the old...
Clinic, I remember him now.
Thank you.
Beatles, look. Evil Knievel. Bloody hell. That's cool.
What that?
Buzz Lightyear with a rocket. It's pretty cool. There's a GoBot.
Survivor, that aeroplane.
No, looks nice. Remarkable, isn't it, after all these years?
How do I squirt?
Have you broke down? You broke down, have you? Your knees, have you?
Ask the lady how much that is.
There.
Get my way. That is cool. That's from the superpowers, that's what they called. That is cool.
Lego.
You know, you can always have a wander around first, see what else you find. Thanks very much. Oh, that's all right.
Good
Thank
figure.
you.
So much just there. Cool figure.
Big James is coming back from the moment.
James.
The Star Wars chap, have you looked at the
Oh, yeah.
What you got in your figures, mate? £5 each. Cool. I remember on Christmas mornings, mate, you used to open up this sort of stuff. Action Man.
best on these great.
Yeah, so these never went at Sandown, so which I thought they would have done, but they didn't.
Still screen. Yeah, that's Secret Wars. £7.50. That's a street shark. Are you on about the shark these? That's a street shark. Got small soldiers there, look. Curtains.
Yes, oh yeah, do you like the Jags? Yeah. I'll drive one as well and see show. Okay, come back. Yeah, with toothpaste and a brush. Yeah, for 100. Yeah. These normally. Yeah. This is, like I said, I've had these for free.
Dino Rider.
Sorry, sir. That one is 18. That's a Brentwood order.
I think that's a Gormatite, whatever they're called.
Fiocchi?
Don't know why then. There's my yeah, I think they're Gormatite, something like that. Oh, mini boglins. Monsters in my pocket. Battle Beast. This is Marcel. Monsters in my pocket up there as well. Right. I'm pretty sure.
Wikipedia's letting me down here.
Sheep chirper.
No time to die.
No time to die.
What's that, your film?
That's just a long story now and I'll go. What the hell? Slapstick. It's just what yellow, don't
Yeah. I'll probably work to put them up because they just stimulate. If you do, if you are interested, give me a shout.
I think it's gone up as well. The percentage. It used to be 10%. I swear,
Yeah.
20.
I sold something the other week and they completely stunned me. I only sold small bits of it.
Well, a couple of stand downs ago, I only bought one for free different times. And it often
Anyway, mate, please.
first bit of £300. I was asking the guy about 400, 450 when they sell it. He was like, about 500. I was trying in the end, and I'm like, you're not going to do anything about it. And even like Dan, one of the guys, so Dan to me like, but he found it in, he does house builders.
Yeah.
You can sell it at food fair.
Right, go on that
I'm
side.
like,
Talking to the other day, Paul.
Oh, yes.
And he was saying that it's the only thing he did get was Marshall Unions. He sold that hole that they got in.
I think a whole lot of it's done around 5,000 or 6,000. I think so. I think so. Must have been. But it looks incredible.
Yeah. What that?
Yeah, I'll leave it for now because I find more passion. I might get on the back.
Yeah.
I got exactly 67 of them.
Yeah.
Because these are the ones. Oh, cool.
give right to eat my father's food.
I don't think that'd be a fair walk.
No, it's different toy line, isn't it?
That'd be cool.
He's filming again.
How you going, mate? You alright? Do you know, I was just thinking this looks like my kind of stall, and it had to be yours, didn't it?
That's right, it's your kind of stall. I try and be everyone's kind of stall.
That's the best way, mate. How you been getting on? You done well?
Yeah, I probably won't do it again.
No.
If it wasn't for one person buying carded line off me for 600 quid, it wouldn't worth my time. So
Oh, hell.
I bought all right. I bought a couple of Toys R Us polo tops.
I've just seen them over there, yeah.
They're good fun, aren't they?
I've just seen them. Oh,
And I bought this. I don't know why, but it's good fun.
oh, that's cool. Let me have a look at that. That is pretty cool.
Worthing Rugby Club.
That's cool. Got a bloke over there selling Battle Beast. Don't know if you've seen it.
Yeah. He's got loads, hasn't he?
Yeah, he's normally at the. Oh, that's pretty cool.
I think it's still got some of the salts in it. Don't have a bath for it, it's in there. Been in there nearly 30 years.
That's it. Just keep it as collectible, isn't it? Zartan. £70. So much goodness. Talking to Storm Shadow, that's the original one.
Charge a delivery fee. Well, you can't make it in. I'll make it
Star Wars figures, mate. Dungadons.
When it comes to toys, I don't think Steve's had a threshold. Like gremlin incident.
The men actually destroy it.
Yeah. Con.
It's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool.
What did I get you? Con or Godzilla?
You got me a con. Rambos. Yeah, the old ETs. Yeah. Bendoms, I just got rid of all them. DVD ones. £6. Yeah, it's Captain America shield, yeah. So guys, as you can see, like I said, there was toys everywhere. It was good to see a couple of regular faces. There was Robbo from Chatham, and I can't think of the gentleman's name, so I do apologise if you're watching this, but he sells loads of Battle Beasts and he sells loads of Supernatural ones. He's got some super cool stuff. He is a known face. Andy knows him. But I do apologise for not knowing your name. But yes, I'll show that I bought something off you. So guys, yes, it was a different day. I was a bit anxious because I've been to a few toy and train fairs, and it's normally crap loads of trains. And there was loads of trains there yesterday, but there was some toy soldiers, and there was other stuff that I collect myself. And guys, I picked up a couple of bits, so it was very good just to mix with different people, look at some different stuff. I'm still looking forward to the NEC at the end of the month. But yes, I did pick up a couple of bits. I got a couple of bargains in my eyes. So let's see what I found at this toy fair that I've never been to before in Brentwood. So first off, my wife got me this. It's a ghostling with its weapon. Now, guys, you know when he had all the supernaturals there. He had ghostlings, and I just kept, you know, when you keep looking at me thinking, what one do I need? I know I haven't got them all, but this guy kept popping out to me, and I've still not checked. I'm looking over there now. I can see a couple of greens. I can see an orange one. But I don't believe I've got this guy here, and it's in really good condition. He did have two of them, but the other one had a few bits of paint on the top, so it was very cool. He said take the best one. This one's got a bit of paint loss on his hand, but you know, it was £15. Maybe a little overpriced, I don't know. Not really, I don't know. It had his weapon, so I was happy to pay it anyway. But that's a very cool ghostling. Now I'm really praying that I haven't got this one, but if I have, I have. It doesn't really matter. It's just cool. I love ghostlings. I love the hologram, and I'm just really glad. So I got that, guys. So that was pretty cool. So we picked him up. I also picked up this, and this is from Robbo, who's normally at the Chatham Toy Fair. It's a Mandalorian Death Watch Airborne Trooper, and I think it's fucking awesome. Really cool. Sorry guys, I'm sorry about that, but this guy is awesome, and it's blue. Guys, you know I like blue figures. I love blue figures, so I'm really glad to pick him up. So thanks for that, Rob. Also off Rob, I picked up this Jurassic Park. It was priced up at £10, but Rob let me have it for a £5, and it has still got some bath salts in it, but he did advise me not to use it, so I won't use it. But I think that's a pretty cool piece. Jurassic Park, I was going to say Jurassic World then, but I think that's pretty cool. I'll just stand that next to the Jeep set I've got. I like that. That's very cool. And we had a little chat. We was having a chat, and I said I like those cups over there. And I actually said I see Andy sold some Star Wars ones the other day, and he actually just let me have one. It's a She-Ra cup, just an old party cup. It's just like polystyrene sort of stuff. I just think it's awesome artwork, and that's going to go straight in the He-Man cabinet now, so it doesn't get damaged. But thank you very much for that. So that was my personal buys. I did pick up something else which I shall show you in a minute. This is pretty cool. Now, yeah, what else did my wife bought me something? Anyway, guys, before I left the show, I picked up my wife a Disney plate. But as we was about to go, I noticed there was something caught my eye. You know when something catches your eye again? And it's absolutely awesome, guys. I love this. I did pay a little bit high end. It was £20. But this guy caught my eye. Now, how cool is that? Now, the lady was saying to me, it's from some clown movie. I think it's from a clown movie. Well, guys, I said to her, I said, ain't Killer Clowns from Space, is it? She went, that's the one, that's the one. Look at that, guys. Look how cool that is. that is absolutely awesome. And she said to me, she went, oh, it's a bit expensive. And I just had to have it, guys. I just had to have that. In, oh, I nearly dropped it in. It's because of the hair makes it slippery. In the horror collection. That is absolutely awesome. I love that. For me, that was the buy of the day. I was well happy with that, honestly. I don't even know how it goes back in the box now. I don't want to damage it. So that was that. Now, guys, this was a little buy I picked up as well. Now, I used to collect, I can't even pronounce it properly, Gundam figures. And I sold most of them. I did get rid of most of my Gundam figures. But when I was in Florida, we went into this, what was it? I think it was a Chinese shop. And they had loads of Gundams. I said, so I was saying to the wife, I said, I used to have loads of them. But I sold them all, you know, to make space. Anyway, walking around the Brentwood toy show, as you do, you know what it's like. I see this bag. So I'm picking it up and I'm having a look at it and I'm like, there's Gundams in there. And it's got £10 on there, as you can see. And the gentleman said to me like, oh, if you see anything you like, mate, let me know, we can strike up a deal. Anyway, I picked this bag up and he went, oh, he said, mate, they're full of Gundams. He went, all the weapons there, it's all complete. I said, he doesn't know what goes with what. And I said, that's all right. I said, what is it, £10 the whole bag? And he went, yeah, I want £10 the bag. So I just thought to myself, wow, man, I'm going to snap that up. And some of these figures are absolutely awesome. They really are cool. And I'm the same. I don't know what weapons go with what, but I don't care. I just think these are cool figures. And I'm glad that I've got some back now. Do you know what I mean? These are right. So that's 1, 2. Here's another one. Yeah, up close, yeah, that you can see. I just really thought I just think these are really cool, guys. Here's another one. It's got his hand missing, but I bet it's in the bag. And there's 2 more, so that's 6 Gundam figures, whatever they are. I love this one. Look, it's blue. Don't see that properly. But that is just awesome, guys. I mean, 6 of these with all the weapons. Oh, he's upside down. For £10. I mean, that is an absolute bargain. Look at him. That is a bargain. There's all the weapons, loads of weapons. So, guys, that was the Brentwood toy show. I just thought, I didn't pick up a lot, but there was enough there just to give you that, you know, that toy craving you need. So, going as of today, we went to a boot sale this morning. I will throw it in. I wasn't going to, but I'm going to throw it in on the end of the video. That was a big miss for me. There was nothing there, guys. You'll see it in the footage. I did pick up a Warhammer game. I don't know where we bloody put them. I did pick up a Warhammer game. I think that was 50p, just to go on the Warhammer display. But I did pick up these guys in Asda's, and that was the Vision. I just love the artwork on these boxes. Wolverine. And the Dark Phoenix. Now, I'm not sure, guys, I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I'm not sure if I actually need these guys. I'm going to take a look at what ones I've got. So there could be some up for swaps. But who knows. Anyway, guys, that is it for the Brentwood footage. I will throw that little bit of boot sale on the end of this. But there's nothing there, guys. It's just, you'll just see me walking around looking at a few feel welcome to watch as much as you like. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Please subscribe. Please hit subscribe, guys. Let's get my subscribers up. I'm showing you toys. There's loads of toys. Come on, guys. And I'm going to do a big NEC video like I normally do at the end of the month. Guys, take care. Bye. Cookie. Elmo again. Been a sight about Elmo this weekend. Isn't it?
Because of right, if you lose one of them might have it, one of them in the video.
Now it's all on your phone, don't you? That's £12 only. Make me an offer.
What's that for anything? Yeah, they have me on, mate. Got Minecraft there, don't I? Combat Special Edition. Britain's Knights in there. Yeah. Getting rid of a Playmobil, mate, not fucking buying more. Ah.
He goes really well.
Yeah. So she's got some sort of backpack missing there, isn't it?
But that goes really well.
Oh, come on. What ones did you go for? All the 50p's.
How would you even carry that?
Yeah. Put it on.
Woody? That's nice.
2008.
I've had it. The vine's gone. Yep.
Yeah, I've got the other tile game there.
Well, but I'm not bad for the week, Dennis. You know, it's what was it? 16, yeah, a little bit cooler, but not a bad week again, you know.
You don't want to have jinxed it. I said, you don't want to have jinxed it now.
We're enjoying this, though, aren't we? Boy, lovely, isn't it? I don't like it.